All right, we're going to talk about Hammer-Ons. That's right. What is a hammer-on? I don't know. I do know, actually. I'm going to show you in this video because it is possible on the ukulele, and it's going to make your playing sound amazing. So stick around. I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to ukelikethepros. This is an articulation, a technique that's right, I'm talking to you need to know for your playing. This is going to help you sound better. It's a simple fact. So if you're kind of over the, maybe beyond just only playing open chords, which is fun and easy, and we love it. But if you want to learn something better, you want to get into this right here, the hammer-on. And that reminds me, ukelikethepros.com/platinum. That's our platinum membership. We have courses. We have a fantastic soloing course. So if you like any of the stuff I'm doing, you can learn how to solo too. We also have a technique course. And that's going to help with all of this stuff right here. So yeah, check that out. All right. Also, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, that's my fault. That's on me. But make sure to subscribe and then click that link below, ukelikethepros.com/win. Be entered to win our monthly ukulele giveaway that we do right here on my channel. All right, are you ready? All right, the hammer-on. I always get like the hammer-on and the pull-off. I always like mix those up in these videos, but the hammer-on. By the way, I do have videos on the pull-off. I have videos on vibrato. I have videos on bend. These are really 4 techniques that you need to know. All right, for this one, we're going to start real simple. We're going to be right here on the 1st string, 5th fret. And if you watch those videos, I always ask you, what note is that? What note is that? What note is the 3rd fret? What note is the 2nd fret? Drop that in the comments below. All right, those 3 notes I just asked you. 5th fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, and the 2nd string. All right, so we're going to start right here. Now, you're actually going to start with your 1st finger here on the 3rd fret, and then you're going to hammer on. Boom. Hammer on. It's like the hammer of the gods, like Thor's hammer. All right, you're going to pick this once and then hammer on, meaning literally hammer, like you're driving a nail in to the 1st string, 5th fret. I'm going to use my 3rd finger. And those are your strongest fingers to do hammer-ons. You can do hammer-ons, though, with all your fingers. Your 2nd finger, your 3rd finger, and your 4th finger. But try it right here with this. All right, so just literally boom, boom. And notice I'm only picking the 1st note, and then I'm hammering on, and you can hear it even though I don't pick it. Make sure to use your fingertip and add a little pressure. You might need to exaggerate and use more pressure at first, but then you can do this on any string. If you jump up to the 2nd string, the strings, it's a little thicker, but it's all right. 3rd string, I'm on the 2nd and the 4th fret. Ooh, how long can I go on? I'm going to stop right there. Don't push my luck. Anyway, I'm using a concert ukulele here. I have a high G. Doesn't matter. You can do it on that string as well. It doesn't really matter. But this is a Koloha concert. If you like Koloha or you need anything else, ukuleles, accessories, books, all that stuff, the #1 store, store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so this is the hammer-on. How did you do? Let me know. Did this help you at all? It might take a little bit of practice. All right, when you get better, you can then mix it up with your pull-offs, with your vibrato, your bends, but this one focused on the hammer-on. So I appreciate you being here. Make sure to check out our Platinum membership. Check out our store. We got a fantastic blog, hundreds of articles to help you understand, learn, and become a better ukulele player. We got a Patreon page and all our social media stuff. So thank us again. Thanks for subscribing. All the stuff that you do, because I couldn't do it without you. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.